Is your Ecovacs DEEBOT T9 doing the circle of death instead of action? It's incredibly frustrating when your high-tech helper starts acting like a shopping cart with a broken wheel. So, what's going on under the hood? This issue is typically caused by a faulty wheel assembly. Over time, the internal gears in the drive module can wear down, or the motor itself can seize up, leaving your premium vacuum paralyzed. Ignoring that clicking sound or the limping movement is a bad idea. A seized wheel forces the other motor to work double time, leading to overheating, motherboard strain, and eventually a total system breakdown. But don't worry, RoboCare has the solution to get your robot vacuum back on track. At RoboCare, our expert technicians have years of specialized experience with the Ecovacs brand, and they know the DEEBOT T9 inside and out. We understand how a faulty wheel can cripple your cleaning routine, which is why we don't just guess at the fix. Our team uses advanced diagnostic equipment to pinpoint whether the issue lies in the motor's electrical resistance, the internal gear assembly, or the sensors. Once the fault is identified, we carefully replace the entire drive unit with genuine components. We don't just patch it up, we restore the precision and traction your robot needs to navigate your home perfectly. But don't just take our word for it. Let's show you the results. Look at that. After a RoboCare wheel replacement, this DEEBOT T9 is back to its flagship performance. Precision navigation, zero errors, and perfectly clean floors once again. Ready to save your robot? Visit our website or call us today to book your repair. We handle the dirty work so you don't have to.